how to buy so on spot. First of all, click spot, change the chill to so USD. That's what you type, so USD. So after that, you set it as buy. You click on market price, then you enter the amount of so you want to buy at how many USD. I want to buy 20, so I'm going to write 20. Okay, right now it's like I have 7 point something. I don't have up to 20, so I will just transfer. So over here, click on transfer. All right, I'll put amount. Make sure it's on funding account, funding to unified trading. So you put amount. I'm going to type in 20 USD. I want to add it to make it 27. I'll click on confirm. So I'm going to retype the 20 again. I'll delete the first 20 and type 20 again. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to, the next thing is to click on buy. I just want to cross check everything. Don't forget, it should be on market price. I'll tap on buy now. Buy so, tap on it. You can see it's successful. So right now, let's confirm it. So to do that, you have to go back. Assets, click on assets. You refresh. Okay, I have to refresh. Hold on. Okay, keep refreshing. Okay, as you can see, almost 19.98. That's what they gave me. 0.13 something for that price. 0.134 something for so. For 19.98 USD, almost 20. So right now we'll move over to our Phantom. So I'll click on my Phantom wallet. Just hold on, it's opening. I'm going to put in my passcode, and this is it. So I'll click on receiver address. I'll tap on receive. I'll copy the address, Solana. The first, go back to Bybit, click on so, make sure it's on unified trading account, is up and funding is down. Okay, just change it. Change the funding account to unified account, up, funding down. Then put the amount and you confirm. So you refresh your page again. So it's there now. So you have to go back by clicking on assets. Then when you get to the home page, click on withdraw. So tap on so. Then insert the address you copied from your Phantom wallet. Remember the coin should be so, it's on top. Network. So be careful about this. Put the amount. I'm going to do max. I want to take everything. Withdraw. Click on withdraw. And I will confirm. I'm going to put my 400 password right away. And also, if you don't have Google authentication, please download it. So I'll go and get my Google authentication password. So look at how it looks like, the Google authentication. This is it. Tap on it. And I'm going to copy it, the code. And I'll come back to my Bybit and I'll do what? I'll paste it. And I'll click on confirm. And I'll confirm again. Withdraw. Withdrawal successful submitted. So that is just it. Okay, it's easy. So now let's go and confirm on our Phantom if it has arrived. I'll just refresh the page. You just have to give it like 1 to 2 minutes for it to align. Okay, so right now I'm going to call this video. In another video will continue. Okay, it's taking time. All right, see you in the next video.